In less than 3 minutes, let's talk about some things that you probably didn't know about the Thrift Savings Plan. What is the Thrift Savings Plan? The TSP is like the 401k in the private sector, but it's offered for federal employees, active duty military, reserve component, and civilians in other government sectors. To put money in the TSP, you have to be actively employed by the federal government as a part-time or full-time civilian employee or a member of the uniformed services. Can I make traditional or Roth contributions to my TSP? Yes, just like the private sector 401k, you can contribute to either traditional, Roth, or both TSP. Traditional contributions are pre-tax, so you don't pay taxes until you start withdrawing at 59.5. Roth contributions are post-tax, so you pay taxes now, so you don't have to pay taxes when you withdraw at 59.5. What is the contribution limit for the TSP? For the year 2021, the contribution limit for the TSP is the same as the 401k at $19,500, or if you're age 50 and older, then you get to contribute $26,000 a year. But here's something that you get in the TSP but you don't get in the 401k. If you're active duty military and you're deployed to a tax-free combat zone, you can contribute to the TSP up to $58,000 a year. How does the matching contribution work in the TSP? So under the blended retirement system or the federal employee retirement system, the BERS is for the military and the FERS is for the civilian employees. You don't have to make any contributions, and your agency or service will contribute 1% of your basic pay into your TSP. When you contribute 3% of your basic pay each pay period, your agency or service will match 3% dollar for dollar. When you contribute an additional 2% of your basic pay, your agency or service will match 50 cents on the dollar at 1%. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're 25 years old and you make $50,000 a year and you get paid on the 1st and the 15th every month. When you make 5% contribution, it's about $104 every paycheck, and your employer contributes $20 for the 1% service contribution and $83 for the service match. That's over $104 in free money every paycheck. Can I contribute to both TSP and 401k at the same time? You can, but you have to be absolutely careful with this, because between the TSP and the 401k, you can only contribute up to $19,500 for the year 2021. So say you're a reservist and you have a job in the private sector and you have a TSP and a 401k, you can only contribute up to $19,500 between those two accounts. If you over contributed to one of those accounts in the year 2021, you could be penalized by the IRS if you don't request a refund from the broker by March 15th. Thanks for watching. Check out these 3-minute videos as well as the new fire video coming out tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fire videos.